Hello students, today our topic is tangents and normals. In this, we will discuss slope of tangent, normal and equation of tangents and normals to the given curve at a given point. Let us start slope of tangent to a curve. Let y equal to f of x is a curve. Then dy by dx at point P is known as slope of tangent to the given curve at the point P. And we know from class 11th, if tangent makes an angle theta with positive x-axis, then slope m equal to tangent theta equal to dy by dx at point P. And slope of normal to the curve is negative reciprocal of slope m of tangent to the curve. Therefore, slope of normal equal to minus 1 upon m, and this equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx. Now, please note down these important points. Number 1, if slope m equal to 0, then tangent is parallel to x-axis. Number 2, if slope m is not defined, means if 1 by m equal to 0, then tangent is parallel to y-axis. Number 3, if tangent is parallel to a line having slope m1, then m equal to m1. We did in class 11, slope of parallel lines are equal. Number 4, if tangent is perpendicular to a line having slope m1, then m is defined means if 1 by m equal to 0, then tangent is parallel to y-axis. Number 3, if tangent is parallel to a line having slope m1, then m equal to m1. We did in class 11, slope of parallel lines are equal. Number 4, if tangent is perpendicular to a line having slope m1, then m into m1 equal to minus 1. Number 5, two curves touch each other if slope of their tangents are equal at the point of intersection of the curves. And next point is, two curves cut each other at right angle if m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So I hope you have noted all these points. Now let us discuss some questions. Find slope of tangent and normal to the curve y equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point where x coordinate is 2. Here, equation of given curve is y equal to x cube minus x plus 1. And we know slope is dy by dx. So, differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx equal to 3x square minus 1. And dy by dx at x equal to 2 is 3 into 2 square minus 1, and this equal to 11. So slope of tangent m equal to 11. And we know slope of normal is negative reciprocal. So slope of normal is minus 1 upon 11. Question number 2. If tangent to the curve y equal to x cube plus ax plus b at the point P 1 minus 6 is parallel to the line y minus x equal to 5, find the values of a and b. Here, equation of curve is y equal to x cube plus ax plus b. and we know slope of tangent is dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to 3x square plus a, and dy by dx at point 1 minus 6 is 3 into 1 square plus a, and this equal to 3 plus a. And the given equation of the line is y equal to x plus 5. And we know equation of line is y equal to mx plus c. So, slope of the given line is m, that is 1. Since tangent is parallel to this line, so slopes are equal. According to question, 3 plus a equal to 1 or a equal to minus 2. As curve passes through the given point 1 minus 6, so put this in the equation of curve. Minus 6 equal to 1 cube plus minus 2 into 1 plus b, and we get minus 6 equal to 1 minus 2 plus b, and b equal to minus 5. Question number 3rd. Find the point at which tangent to the curve y equal to root 4x minus 3 minus 1 has the slope 2 upon 3. Let required point is P, HK, and equation of given curve is y equal to root 4x minus 3 minus 1. Now dy upon dx equal to 1 upon 2 root 4x minus 3 into 4 minus 0, and this equal to 2 upon root 4x minus 3. Now slope of tangent is m equal to 2 upon root 4x minus 3, and slope of tangent at point P with coordinates hk is 2 upon root 4h minus 3. But according to question, slope equal to 2 upon 3. So equate 2 upon root 4h minus 3 equal to 2 upon 3. Or squaring both sides, we get 4h minus 3 equal to 9, and 4h equal to 12, h equal to 12 upon 4 equal to 3. As hk lies on the given curve, so putting the value k equal to root 4h minus 3 minus 1, or k equal to, put h equal to 3, we get k equal to root 12 minus 3 minus 1, and this equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So the given point is 3, 2. Now one more question. Find slope of normal to the curve x equal to 1 minus a sine theta and y equal to b cos square theta at theta equal to pi by 2. We know slope of tangent is dy upon dx. So we will find out dy upon d theta and dx upon d theta. Here dx upon d theta equal to minus a cos theta, and dy upon d theta equal to minus 2b cos theta sin theta. Now dy upon dx equal to minus 2b cos theta sin theta upon minus a cos theta, and this equal to 2b upon a sin theta. Now slope of tangent m at theta equal to pi by 2 equal to 2b upon a into sin pi by 2 equal to 2b upon a. And now slope of normal is negative reciprocal of m, and that is minus 1 upon m. So slope of normal is minus 1 upon 2b upon a, and it is minus a upon 2b. I hope you understand all about slope of tangent and slope of normal, and you will do exercise 6.3. Thank you.